Hello folks, 018 here again. Looking at a Galaxy 66B repair report. We're going to kind of look and see what it does here. Looking at 10-watt slug, average power, hello audio. Hello audio, about 8. We're going to keep this short and sweet. We're going to look at the 50-watt slug, PEP, hello audio. Single final radio, hello, 1, 2. Audio, that's our power all the way down. That was all up. Our power all the way down. Hello, audio, 28. Gonna look over at the frequency. Somebody set the clarify a little bit. There you go, she's right on the money. 14.1 volts. Hello, audio, 28. This thing give me a fit, had a cracked board. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Girlfriend 10, 018 Beavis. We're back quiet working this Galaxy 66B and peak audio. I'm standing by.